Mark Zuckerberg and Elon Musk are gonna fight. MMA, Jiu-Jitsu. You wanna know the last information about this and much more? Yes, then smash that like button, because it's time for crypto news, fun on the right, crypto a tope. First thing first, let me tell you that we have a special offer today. 15 euros are waiting for you if you use the link in the description and you make a buy which is superior to 100 euros. To our sponsor friends Bit2me, thank you very much for supporting Fun on the Ride. And now this promotion for you, the riders in the community. Join Bit2me, link in the description, and get your 15 euros. Also, another announcement, AI news. Remember, now we are more than 700 people and we have a new episode, we have a new video that you have to watch. Again, EA News, go there and watch it, the last about artificial intelligence, and with new features from our editor, the Kittens, that you can see there. Also, our friend El Tío Pacote telling us that AI is so smart that he had the like in the video before even watching it. How is that? Maybe YouTube and the crazy algorithm, maybe someone is using your session. Beware of that, El Tío Pacote. And now to the last information about Mark Zuckerberg and Elon Musk and how they want to fight. We listen it in Spanish from Un Dato al Día.
Elon Musk se ha vuelto loco y ha desafiado a Mark Zuckerberg.
Elon Musk is crazy and is defeating Mark Zuckerberg to a fight in a case. And they are going to do it. They fought because Mark is going to have its own Twitter. And the fight allegedly is going to be in Vegas. Crazy stuff. Also here some information. Remember that the fight, the goal was because of allegedly this new threats, which is the Meta Twitter rival. And then they started on Twitter something like, well, we can fight each other if you want. Yes, why not? Let's do this. And now community wondering who's gonna win. Here you can see Mark Zuckerberg training and even competing in Jiu-Jitsu. So you can see here that, well, it's smaller than Elon Musk and the weight is not the same, but he has experience right now fighting. So maybe this is an advantage. Maybe you believe he's gonna win. Maybe you are up for Elon Musk. Well, now the odds go 77% to Mark Zuckerberg, according to a website. So who knows? Here you can see Mark Zuckerberg fighting, training, and well, in my opinion, you can see that it's not really crazy fighting what he's doing. Even though here he's training, so you don't really know how he behaves in a real threat. But I don't know. I don't see Mark Zuckerberg winning, but maybe so. Elon Musk, so funny. He's going to use his technique, the walrus. What is the walrus? Well, it's this Morse, and he is only going to lie on top of Mark Zuckerberg and do nothing. That's what he said with some friends. So we'll see about this crazy fight. Who's gonna win? We have memes all over the internet comparing these two contenders. They are not very good looking in those pictures, even in a robot meme theme. We'll see, as I told you, here the audio where he refers to the Morse.
Get away.
He does nothing and you can't get away. And here, some more memes and people saying that Joe Rogan would be the commentaries on that fight. Lex Friedman saying, this is the new reality. This is the simulation that we are living in up to right now, where billionaires are fighting MMA, where billionaires are fighting or social media on Twitter. This is what billionaires have to do in the daily basis. Anyways, we hope This pushes Dogecoin price to the moon right now, going up, which is good. And also the whole meme ecosphere. You can see Dogecoin is not going as good as Pepe today. So we'll see if now we have new tokens. For sure we will. Telling you the story about probably Elon winning, Elon losing, Mark winning, Mark losing, or the Moors, or the Walrus, or whatever word that is related with this thing might be on dextools.io anytime soon with the hot pairs. Right now, Pepe is there in the winners. We'll see about that crazy stuff. Remember, with dextools.io, Pepe, that is now in the resistance line, and we'll see what will happen with the price token once we are here. We'll see about that. And what about Bitcoin? Well, we were going up, and now for a couple of days, seems that we need a rest. We need, after this 25% up, to calm down and find some more energy. Also, more good news. Michael Van de Poppe telling us here that Valkyrie is applying for another ETF. Remember, BlackRock, Fidelity, all that stuff we told you about in last videos. And now, so important, Fed Chair Jerome Powell says it's appropriate to raise interest rates another 2 times this year. Not 1 time, but 2 times. So maybe this is affecting the market. Dollar going up in a very, very important point right now. This is the line we draw. It might find now their resistance and start going down. If so, okay, Bitcoin will come back to the rise. But if not, if we break this line in the next hours, then probably we'll need to find an upper side for dollar, and the stock market and crypto will fall. Remember, I'm not expert. I have no idea whatsoever what I'm talking about. I'm just saying stuff. Here you can see the stock market. No Asia market today, so probably there's a festival, or maybe I have broken my trading view. You have the link in the description to do these things like a pro, like Almazek, that told us that the pattern we have right now with Bitcoin is the same we had in the summer 2021, and right now we are resting a little bit to go higher as we did at that point. Also, El Crypto Proof telling us, so important, that Bitcoin is back above the monthly EMA 21 line. You can see it here. The last 2 times we went up to the line. You can see these triangles he's drawing. And again, here in TradingView, you can see 1, 2, and 3 times above this EMA. And you can see that we went up, up, and up only. Good for Bitcoin. We might be around $50,000 if this is true. But now we have to break the $30,000, the $31,000, etc., etc. It's still a long run. And remember that we have this resistance here with this previous high, which is holding us right now. But some experts believe that 421% gains are now on the table for Bitcoin. That's according to analyst Dave the Wave, and he's telling us about Fibonacci retracement, and he's telling us about this possibility, about what happened in the past, what happened in 2016, and how we went crazy up afterwards. We'll see about that too. And here again, remember other considerations we had in previous videos, like for example the golden cross between MA 20 and 200, first time in history of Bitcoin. Also the pattern of cup and handle, etc., etc. Watch all those analyses on previous videos. The market is in the red, the bubbles are in the red, FTT going up, crazy stuff in the crypto world. Pepe is leading the market, and we are then still greedy, 65 again. And to consider things that scare us, well, Binance now is fighting back to the SEC, allegedly, according to Meta lawmen, saying that in an aggressive move, Binance has gone on offensive against the SEC in the federal court case. Lawyers for the Binance defendants have filed a motion accusing the SEC of engaging in unethical conduct. This is a big deal. because now they are saying that as they are speaking about Binance outside court, they are doing very bad stuff for their business, and this is misconduct, and this can be a great deal. So cool. Hopefully Binance wins. Ripple is back down to 0.5, which is not good. Ethereum probably trying to find support in the line with previous highs and also the moving average of 100 days. This is the drawing, I believe. This is what I think is going to happen. So as I'm the counter indicator, it will happen the opposite. And the DeFi ecosystem, we are fighting for the $40 billion line, and we have exciting news today. Remember, 2 years ago, we told you about Optify. You have a couple of videos in FunOntheRide about it. I will leave the links in the description. If you want to learn about this protocol, and now they are releasing the token. It's 2 years since we started talking about this, and finally here we are. Remember that with this protocol, we are going to have DeFi strategies. We are going to find so simple to work in the DeFi ecosystem, and now they are powering their strategies with AI, which is awesome. I'm gonna learn more about this. I leave you the link in the description to the app, also to the article explaining you the token sale. So if it's something of your interest, links in the description. It was our partner in the past. It might be our partner now that the token is going to be released too. So if you want to go to the app, you have there a tour that will teach you how to use the platform, and we will tell you more about this in the future. If you want things easier, well, you have also Round Up. Remember, today is Friday. Every Friday we have this crazy lottery that you can't lose. Maybe you don't win it, but you can't lose it. Go to Round Up, link is in the description. You're going to have €5 if you download it. So we're giving away a lot of money today if you do your homework. And then if you use the price account, you might have today a price. And if you prefer a 5% annually, then you have the earn account inside Round Up. Link in the description. We have a specific video about it in FunOntheRide. Do not miss that out. And talking about NFTs, we have this hotel in Pamplona, La Perla, where Hemingway was. And now they partnered with this artist so famous in Spain in the north, the creator of Cucuzumushu, Miquel Urmeneta, and they are creating an NFT with this. You can enjoy Sound Firming Festival in a different way and also stay in this hotel. Thank you, Jesus Lorente from CL Crypto. Follow them if you have some doubts in the tax report for this year. He told me about this piece of information. Thank you very much. And if you are going to present your tax report, well, we are just days away to the deadline. You have coin tracking link in the description in order to do so. 10% discount if you use the link. And remember, this is also a portfolio tracker, the one that I use besides the tax information, etc. And the last promotion today, we found that you can have now Kindle Unlimited 3 months for €0. So if you want to help us and try it for 3 months, €0, and we will have like €2 because of this promotion. Thank you very much. Use the link in the description. Maybe even if you don't want to use it, you can help us this way. Thank you very much. 3 months of trial and you can read it. Or maybe you prefer to listen to books. Well, then you have also 30 days for free for Audible, the one that I use. Link in the description. Do the both things. And more interesting stuff here. You can see a spa in New York City. The water is heated with Bitcoin miners, which is so cool. As it's so cool, this cat that is working now because Bitcoin price is still not in the target it needs. So a lot of people forgetting about money and just having a massage like this too. Or maybe this mouse, this hamster also enjoying life besides money. Dear friends, we have no more time today, but we are trying to find already the information that you need to know. And we will say it here, where crypto news, fun on the ride, health, money, love, party in peace, the best is yet to come, and crypto a tope. To the moon!